Something unexpected happened as a FedEx driver passed by a group of men. CCTV footage captured a moment when a group of men was playing basketball together, and a FedEx driver passed by them unexpectedly. The FedEx driver quickly got out of the car and asked to join the men. The group of men are also very friendly and welcome men to join the game. It's a short moment between men, but it certainly makes them happier and more comfortable. The following footage captured a friendly driver discovering a boy playing basketball alone and deciding to join him.